Good morning, vlog! Today is a Sunday. Say hi, Kian. Good morning! Aww. Hi, guys! Good morning!
Hello there!
Late na tayo nagising kasi nag-edit pa tayo ng vlog until 3:30 a.m. I know I have to fix my sleeping schedule. Ewan ko kung ako lang, pero every time we shoot the vlog, tapos yung ideas ko nasa utak, gusto ko lang siyang ilabas by creating the vlog.
True.
Kasi, I don't know, parang hindi ako mapakali. Parang hindi ako makatulog kapag hindi ko siya ginawa. It whacks up my sleeping schedule. So, I have to improve on that for this year. So, that's my New Year's resolution. But other than that, for today, we're gonna have special guests na magbe-visit kay Kian. Kasi yesterday, it was Carrie and Tommy. Thanks again for visiting us.
Thank you.
For today's video, ang magbe-visit naman kay Kian namin is his Ninang. Ninang Carlo, Tita May, Tito Job, and Tita Angel. Are you excited to see them? Yes. So, mag-start na tayo mag-cook ng lunch. We're gonna cook Filipino lunch for our Filipino friends for today. Hopefully, it turns out well. Let's do it. Okay, Kian? Lunch is served. Lemon butter tilapia, beef tapa, tofu sisig, sinangag, and creamy spinach. Lahat nilagyan ko ng parsley para maganda yung presentation.
Wow!
Yum. They're here! Okay. Sino yan? Who's that? Hello! Happy New Year! Hello! Pasok! Hello! Ito sleepers nyo. Pili lang kayo ng kung ano matripan nyo dyan. Hello, Angel! Hello! Hey, who's that? Ayos naman. Happy New Year ulit. Ay, kakila. Ninang. That's Ninang. Bless Ninang. Oh. Yun, oh.
Happy siya.
Oh, sino yan? Kilala mo yan? Tummy time ka with Ninang. Bless. Yeah. Wow, may dessert.
Thank you.
Pasok. Go. Make yourselves at home. Okay.
Or doon siya mag-tummy time.
Oh, ilagay mo muna siya doon. Gusto mo yung tummy time kita, bro. May playpen kami dito. Amen. Kain. Ay, sorry. Ngayon lang nag-red yan, ha? So, baka makasig ko, grabe naman si Loki ko, di nagpapalit ng brita.
Mas parang nasa restaurant kami.
Grabe ka naman. Ano yan? Parang Manam style. Yun. Oo naman. Grabe naman. Baka dahil lang naka-on yung pag pinatay ko to, parang medyo matabang.
I-judge ako ng mga manonood mo.
Bakit?
Tisiba naman ng isang yun. Para siya na lang yung umuwi.
Thank you, Tita May and Ninong Carlo.
Pwede na ako.
Bro, mag-iingat ka sa sinasabi mo, ha?
Pwede na ako pang 5 months.
Pang 5 months. Bro, tawag dun adoption, ha? Wow! Very good, Ito, Nintendo Switch ni Kian,
Wow!
Oh! Gamit. Ganyan talaga yan. Not yet finished. Asan ba yun? Ay. Sa'yo yan. Angel, oh. Uy, malaki ako. Oh! Ay, laglag ako. Ay, hindi, sudden death.
Di ba?
Eh!
Pa-serve.
I got you, sir. I got this. Front of house ako. Ay, sige, ako sa taga-serve mo. Pang kulang mo, mushroom.
Wow.
Diba?
Sistema na kayo.
Siyempre. Baka masunugan ka dyan, Job, ha?
Hindi kasi organized mo ako. Walang plato.
Ilapag mo lang dyan.
Tulog ka na!
Nasunog niya! Wala ka dyan! Tatalo na lang ako! Nasunugan ka na naman, bossing!
Restart na natin. Ang ready mo yung mga isda niya. After
Wow.
first na ano ako muna.
Init pala.
Hindi na masama. Ayos lang. Uy! Uy!
Ang convenient nitong ano, yung area niya na to, no?
True.
Kung saan siya talaga.
Pero,
Talaga ng ganito.
baka pag...
Baka yung paa niya. Ano siya natulungan ka niya?
Dapat ka hawak.
ganyan na lang. Nakaganyan na lang.
Grabe naman ang audience.
Tapos i-massage rin. Para mas madulas o may lotion. Igaganon. Try mo. Ang lambot.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Ang soft na.
Oo.
May onesie ka pa.
Wipes. Okay.
Yun.
Kapatid mo, Angel, nung nagbuntis siya
Ready
pala.
na ang dinner. Fettuccine Bolognese pasta. Nice. May onting wheat bread. And yung Italian dip na extra virgin olive oil. Balsamic vinegar and Parmesan cheese.
Ito sinasawsaw doon.
Ayan, so dip nyo lang siya dito. Grabe ka naman! Testing! Teka, medyo masikip din eh. Ready? 3, 2. One more. Alrighty! Happy New Year! Ay, talaga. Kiya. Da, kuhang-kuha. Hey, look at you, you're so bungis-ngis. Very good. Very good, my Kian. Uy, taba. May, grabe namang smile yan. No. Bye ka na kila Ninong, ha? Bye-bye. Hey.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Tawa pa rin eh.
Natawa pa rin siya na.
Bro, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, Tia!
Angel, ingat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye,
you,
May.
Tita
Oo naman.
Sa.
Anytime.
Food.
Anytime, ha. Sana, dalo lang kayo. Bye-bye. Good night. Good evening, vlog! Today is a Monday. For tonight, kailangan namin mag-Costco restock. Also, magpapagas din kami sa Costco gasoline station here at Warden. And guys, it's like the lowest price per liter. Ang price ng gas is 109.9. Shish kebab.
Isn't that amazing?
Papagasin kami later. You say hi lang.
Hello there.
And also, for tonight, imi-meet namin yung friends namin na matagal na namin hindi nakita. Sobrang na-miss namin sila.
Wow!
Medyo i-suspense muna natin para ma-surprise kayo. Kala nyo naman, daming viewers na matagal namin hindi nakita. Sobrang na-miss namin. Nani? Costco muna, then quick no-frills grocery run, and then we're gonna go back to Daimar. So, tune in. Let's go! Quick Costco run! Parang every week na ata kami nagko-Costco. Costco! Bacana man!
True.
So cold. Mami? Hindi na namin siya kinarrier, guys, kasi medyo sleepy na ata siya. Guys, meron doon mag-asawa. Pinipigilan nung husband yung wife niya bumili na kung ano nung pastry. Very relatable. Peekaboo ang kinyan. Quick Costco run. Mga essentials lang. Self-checkout. Nice.
All good. In the hood. Papagas na tayo. It's the cheapest gas ever, guys. 106.9. Nice. So, mga 1/4 na lang yung gas tank. Probably mga 35. Yeah! Price is right. Wow! Not bad, $29. Just arrived here at No Frills. Guess what, guys? Kung saan kami nagpark? Expectant mother. Okay, disclaimer. Wala pong expectant mother dito sa sasakyang ito. Meron lang po kaming stroller. And meron kasing stroller logo doon sa parking.
True.
So, doon na kami nagpark para convenient. Ano mo siguro mga MMDA dito? MMDA. Quick grocery run sa No Frills before we go to Daimaru Shabu Shabu. And you guys might be wondering, kakain kayo after mag-grocery, baka masira yung mga meat and dairy products. Here in Canada, kapag winter, para kang nasa freezer na din, yung weather itself can actually cool down yung grocery mo sa trunk of your car. Alright, let's head out. Here at No Frills. Quick grocery lang, some greens, mga meat and seafood. Nice. Alright, dito daw tayo. We are done. We are here at Daimaru Shabu Shabu. Waiting lang tayo sa special guest natin na matagal na natin di nakita. Long time no see!
Wait a minute.
Balita, bro! Ano naman? Balita. Long time no see. Isang, napaka-clingy, no? Kasama natin ang mga special guests natin. Nice. Perfect for the weather. Kaya kami nag-sponty Daimaru kasi meron silang all-inclusive late night happy hour. Solid. Yeah. Wow! Si Kian muna ang mag-all you can eat. Yummers! Sarap! I don't mind the camera. Sorry. Okay. Count ah. Yummers! Panalo. Hindi pa mag-sleep ang Kian. It's okay. It's okay. Shabu-shabu with Daddy. And Nino. And Tita May. And me. Oh, look at yourself. Oh, you're so cute. You show your sweater. Fit check. Fit check. Hokkaido ice cream. Ooh, yeah. Done with dinner. Mga 2 hours tayo nagsashabu-shabu. Sleepy na si Kian. We're going home na. Sabi ka na, Kian.
Baka malamigan ng paa niya.
Bye-bye. Good night. Ingat, bro. Bye, May. Ingat. Bye-bye.
Ingat kayo po, May.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you guys on the next vlog. Bye.